Well, the Ghana stock market has been trading within a narrow range for a few weeks, but the third quarter earnings season might just be the fresh catalyst for one of the top performing markets in Africa. Well, joining me now on the line from Accra, Ghana, to review the day's trade is Mahama Idris, who is the Managing Director at EDC Stockbrokers. Mahama, thank you so much for making the time to join us today. Can you talk us through the day's trades? I mean, what were the main driving factors behind it?
The stock market is driving the industry as the banking and insurance, then manufacturing, and part of oil and gas. These are the industries that drive the stock market, or that have driven the stock market from the beginning of the year to date.
We've seen some results coming out from the banking sector, and they seem to be surprising on the upside. Looking at CAL Bank, very strong results coming through from there. Can we expect them to set a precedent for that specific sector?
We would say that the banking sector is actually performing on the base of their own product and the strength of their balance sheet having come from the increase in capitalization for them in their operations. So we say that the banking sector has actually grown strong by the profession, the capital, and the growth of the economy in addition.
Idrisu, what has the sentiment been like for stocks outside of the banking sector? Are we seeing the same sort of positivity or not?
We've seen some positivity, especially in the Unilever. Unilever did a 13% top line, and they've done 30% bottom line. We've seen Fan Milk did 20% last quarter last year, and then they are doing 18%. Even though the profit has fallen, but they still had a very strong balance sheet and operational capacity to increase their profit before the end of the year. We've also seen Benso oil plantation that built in Palm Canal. They have had a very strong capital gain the whole year, and they are still very strong going into the last quarter of the year.
Idrisi, thank you so much for that update on what's moving markets currently in Ghana.